A lot has been made of the fact that my animal predictions are off because Meowshawn is biased. Well, damn straight he's biased. And so, no pomp, no circumstance. For this final Meowshawn's playoff predictions of this year, we're just going to show you how biased he is. So, both been soaking up the tuna juice. Nice and ready to go. Well, let's stack the deck a little bit. Here we go, Broncos. A nice smattering of tuna. If you were a cat, which one would you pick? Alright, Meowshawn, your prediction, please. Broncos or Seahawks? And Meowshawn, in face of a giant treat, has chosen the Seahawks. It's not that he's been right about the Seahawks all year. It's that we have faith in our team. Go Hawks.